Hey guys, alright, so here's where we're at. We have the 2 buckets full of sand. I used one to fill up to a level that I was like, okay, this is about right. Made a little pen mark, took it, dumped in the other bucket, filled this bucket up again to that same pen mark, so that way I'd have exactly the same size no matter what. Close enough, and it being a little bit off is always okay, because with it being a little bit off, it's just going to help work the muscles more. As we're doing the actual workout, you'll see how you sit there and you take care of that situation by just facing one direction for one set, the next direction in the other set, back and forth. Either way, you guys will see. Nice and simple. So, what we're going to do now is we are going to transfer the sand into the bags. Easier and better process than the water bags, and it also allows you to get at least almost like a doubling, if not like at least a doubling on all the bags. So it'll be like 4 bags worth of knotting, so it's like this is like a one and done. Once you make these, you're good to go, you're ready to rock and roll. So with that said, time to get to work. Okay guys, so here we have the supplies. We're going to go with 3 pieces of 16-inch roughly strings. Any kind of miscellaneous string will do. 2 old shoestrings work excellent. Way easier if you have ones that have the little, whatever they call those guys on them. The pillowcase, used pillowcase will work. Old pillowcase, or you can get a new one. I'll have a link for a pillowcase that you can get off of Amazon down below in the description. Also, net bag. This is the net bag I found to work best, because you need something that's strong and also extremely large as you upsize in bags and weights. So this one, I'll have a link also for Amazon where you can just click and buy it real quick. But if you have any kind of net bag, that'll do the job. Trash bags. I have found that the ones that come with the plastic strip piece for tightening do not work as good as just the large bags that have no strip. So look for that when you're finding your trash bags. So that's what you're going to actually be making the bag out of. For tools that you'll need to make everything easier, some type of a little screwdriver or a little pick so you could pick and pull things out. Tweezers, excellent for helping out with this, because you're going to have to grab the strings and pull them through. Excellent. Okay. I know you guys can't really see my face too much, but I figure I got to keep it down here for the main focus, which the star of the show is the bag. Alright guys, so this is going to be the part where we're going to start using the strings, the tweezers, and the little screwdriver. So with that said, what we're going to do here is first, at the 2 edges here and here, we're going to attach 2 of those 14 or 16-inch strings. So this is the last 2 of those 16-inch strings. You're going to just feed them through. There you go. two of these guys. All right, now you're gonna stretch this guy up, grab onto two of these guys, give yourself the old spins, because again, we're wanting this thing tight. This is a much easier process with two people, but if you're doing the Lone Ranger thing, you gotta just make it happen. Then, whichever way it appears like it's wanting to go is the way to go. You're gonna pull across as tight as you can. This is going to be what is going to be making the handle. So, first thing you want to do is use the two strings that actually come from the pillowcase or the net bag, and use these as your starter. You want to come down like so, a good distance down, feed through, and that is going to be the initial point to keep your handle at least tight, while you then use these to cinch it down. And here we go. I'm going to just kind of bunch this up to get it out of the way. Stuff it back up underneath there, just like so. Now, grab these two guys, pull them out, and feed them through to secure your handle in the location that you have it. We have our handle here, so now we're going to just make some small adjustments to it, and we're going to move on to doing the finishing touches with the strings. We take one of the shoestrings, feed it underneath the handle, and we will make a series of wraps going over and around the handle. And then feeding through the net bag so that we can cinch it in place, as I am demonstrating here in the picture. So it's going to be just now repeating this process, moving forward or up along the handle. Okay, one side is done. Now we just tuck away the little bit of loose strings up underneath the handle, and it is time to repeat that exact same thing on the other side, coming up just a little ways, and then that leaves the center, which is the handle. And here we go, the finished product. This, guys, is really all you need. Just knock these guys out. You can make as many as you want. They work excellent, and get right.